people, we thank God, Papa God, Papa God, don't allow us see another day. I wish everybody when they celebrate Merry Christmas. The reason of the Christmas, all of us know more. I beg, as we celebrate, as we make us say young now, make una be careful. As we drink, as we club, as we dance, as we jollificate, make we be very careful. As we drink, be very careful. Because in Nigeria, make we dey now. Too many fake drinks to daytime. So as we drink, be very, very careful. If it is possible, if you don't let you don't be compulsory things say you will drink alcohol, drink water. If at all say you want to drink, be very careful. Adulterated drinks, it too full time. It full time too much because as they talk the English, say the heart of men, they desperately wicked. Everybody want make money, they don't care how the money they come about, but more could make money. So as we dey drink, make we dey careful. As we dey go club, so as we dey go party, dey go anywhere, abeg no leave your drink o. If you dey go toilet, carry the drink enter the toilet. No talk say this one na my party o, that one na my party. You go lose card your drink o. E no go like that o. The word na everybody mind, no dey fit dey read am o. So anyway we dey go, make sure you safeguard your drink. Waka with your drink. If you no fit waka with your drink, if you come back, no drink the drink again. If you waka leave your drink, if you come back, no drink am. Open another one, make you drink. This season, a season of love. So make we dey careful. And the mind no be everybody can be show love. Make we dey careful. Another one I say, normal this season, everybody go want high. Everybody go want day where I beg. No drink, come go dey drive. And Papa God that dey beg now. The number of people may not die for 2024. It don't say do. Don't go drink, when you go dey drive. Find person may no high, may drive motor. Yes, if you too much, find where day till your eye go clear. No drink finish, you're gonna come over cup, you're going to ferry you. This life that one a bill, you don't get duplicate. You don't be say if you die you'll see come back home. Once you die you don't go. So as much as possible, make we take care of ourselves. And above all, this is a season of love. Make we show love to our neighbors. Make we show love to our people made there around us. To be everybody fear afford things. Make we say you go fear afford. If na Maggie you feel buy, give person. Give the person. And this season a season of love. Just try show love to people around you. If you maybe see you get surplus, see people around you. If you be saying a 5k or 2k or 1k or just bless somebody. If you be saying a full stuff, 1 rubber of fries, 5 cup of fries, beans, or anyone you fit do, me if you help person, me if you help put smile for people's face this period, because make we not talk like the country they very hard. The country they very difficult. Nobody they get am easy at all. At all, more just forget say normal level. When you call social media, everybody now rich people. So everybody will already post back, everything na packaging. But as much as possible, may the season of love may reflect around people may be around us. Don't be say you go dey buy, you go get surplus, you go even dey throw away some. I beg, people may be around you. Show them love, show them care. Because we dey celebrate Christ. Na season of love. So show love around people. May they around you because it's not gonna make sense. If you get surplus, maybe say people around you not go to see water drink. So make we show love. Make we dey kind this period. And also lastly, as you dey show your firework, you dey throw your vanguard and whatever you dey throw, dey very careful. Nothing Nigeria season we dey. Now Harmattan we see dey. Any small thing, Harmattan dey pick am. The devil no go walk. So make we dey careful. As I say talk, don't forget to show love. Oh. This season, show love to your wife, your girlfriend, everybody in short, everybody around you. And people, on a Merry Christmas. Oh.